Hi friends, in the last videos we covered very clearly about just HTML already we completed detailed discussion, and then even CSS also just we had a discussion. Just we started about CSS also. Now what is the next cinema? What is the next cinema we require to talk is take very special care, sir. While applying styles, the basic CSS selectors already I told. Element selectors, next ID selectors, and then class selectors, like I told. Have you remembered, right? Okay, element selectors, ID selectors, and class selectors, right? Okay. Well, now my question here is just observe a simple example. I want to talk. What is my example here is, listen a bit carefully, right? Because some students may not have the clarity. Something like, sir, can you please explain about the div tag? Can you please explain about span tag? Next, and after that, what about element selectors? Okay, class selector, ID selector, element selectors, like basic selectors. Can you please explain? Like you people may ask, just a matter of few minutes. Let me review so that you will get much clarity, right? So now my question is, my requirement is, observe that I have one one div tag is there, sir. Just observe that, sir. So for which purpose we can use a div tag? Anyone remember, right? For which purpose we are going to use a div tag? Div tag, the main purpose is, of course, for styling purpose only. Of course, for styling purpose only, for CSS sake. So to group related tags, to group tags. Okay, sir, I will take h1 tag, paragraph tag, like I will take inside a div, like so for all these tags, for all these tags, I want to apply some common styling. Then happily you can go for a div tag. Div means this is one division. In this division a group of tags are there. For all these tags I want to do some common styling. Then obviously you can go for which tags are a div tag. Are you in the position to understand, right? Yes friends, please confirm what is when we should go for a div. Okay, well, now have a look once, sir. This is the div tag. Div tag I'm taking, sir. Inside the div tag, let me take h1 tag. Yes. Okay, so just h1 tag. So this is basic CSS selectors. Basic CSS selectors are very easy to use. Very easy to use, like I'm trying to take, sir. Next, one paragraph also I let me take. In the paragraph, lorem ipsum. Okay, sample data we are going to get. Next, here just I'm trying to get, I'm trying to use one more h2 tag, h2 tag, something like, sir, this is so learning anything is very easy, just like I'm trying to take. Okay, this is my h2 tag. Okay, like, sir, now here just have a look once, sir. Here if I can take, let me open this one here. Just let me open here. My requirement is, observe that. Yes, sir, this is the which tag, sir? Can you please confirm? This one is the h1 tag. Next, and after that, this is the paragraph tag, and this one is what? Okay, this one itself is h2 tag. Okay, like we had. Now my question here is, okay, sir, this total thing inside a div, for this total thing inside a div, like, now let me take one this total div. Let me copy paste here. Okay, don't worry. First, second div, third div. So total, how many div tags are available here? Three. Listen carefully. Three tags are there, sir. Div tag, three tags are there. For every occurrence of the div, for every occurrence of div tag, can you please, I want to define styling, sir. I want to apply some styling. Yes, how you can do here is, just let me go for div tag. Okay, sir, color is equal to color is, okay, white I'm taking. Color is the white I'm trying to take, sir. Background is a red I'm trying to take. Okay, like now can you please confirm this one itself is yes element selector or id selector or either id selector or class selector? Which one, sir? Because three types are three types of basic selectors are there. Okay, basic css selectors, basic css selectors. There are three basic selectors are available, sir. One is element selectors, element selectors, element selectors. Second one is id selectors. Third one is the class selectors. In the last session I covered very clearly about these three things, right? Okay, like sir, class selectors are there for every occurrence of a particular tag. If you want to apply styling, okay, then better to go for element selectors. Okay, how many div tags are there in my html page? Yes, sir, three div tags are there. Three div tags are there, sir. So for every occurrence of div tag, can you please apply this styling? This type of thing is by default considered as what? Okay, element selectors. Okay, like element selectors. Okay, like now have a look once about this one, sir. Okay, observe that, sir, this is the first div, and this is the second div, and this is the third div. For every div tag, is it applicable or not? Yes, respond. For every div tag, is it applicable or not? Yes, perfectly itself is applicable. There is no problem at all. Yes, it's applicable, right? Now my question is, I don't want for every div tag. For every div tag, I don't want. I want only for a particular instance of div tag. Sir, only for this middle. Only for this middle. I want to apply some special styling. Only for one occurrence, I want to do that. Then we have to go for ID selectors. Have you remembered, right? ID means, sir, only for one instance. Only for one instance. Unique. Remember carefully, right? Boss, I want only for one div tag, not for multiple. Only for one, not for every instance, not for multiple. If you want such type of thing, then we have to go for id. Sir, usually sir, student id, id is unique or not? Please confirm. id is the unique or not? Yes, id, that's why unique. Pass, I want the styling only for one particular div tag, not for every instance, right? Then we require to go for id selectors. Okay, now what I have to take for this one, you require, right? Okay, well, now where you have second div tag. Now observe, this is the first div. Okay, this is the second div. Now id is equal to just a special div, like I'm taking, sir. Have you observed? id is equal to special div, like I'm trying to take. Now for this here, how I can define? Anyone, can you please tell? Now in the id selector, yes, color is the white, background is the red. Here, if it is the id, then hash symbol must be required. Have you remembered? Hash symbol must be required. Okay, well, now let me refresh. Now the styling is applicable for every occurrence. For every occurrence, either styling is applicable for every occurrence only for a particular div. Okay, only for a particular div. Now observe that same thing here. Let me send the request. Now it is applicable only for this particular div. Remember carefully, right? Array is applicable only for the particular div. So if you want the styling, I want to select only a particular instance, and I want to apply styling, better to go for what? Yes, id selectors. Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable, right? So only for one instance. So now my requirement is, boss, okay, I have multiple instances. Okay, I want to style. Okay, apply select multiple instances of div tag, but not all div tags. But not all div tags. Select multiple instances of div tag and apply style. Then obviously If you want this one, okay, then we require to go for what? Class selectors, correct, right? Class selector. Class selectors is always going to talk about multiple instances, but not every instance. Remember, element selectors always talks about all instances. All instances. Sir, id selector talks about only for one instance. Sir, here class selector talks about multiple instances, but not all. But not all. Observe carefully, but not all. Okay, well, now what is your requirement, right? Assume that here this is the first div is there, for the third div is there, for these two things I want to apply styling, sir. Only for the first one, and then last one I want to apply for styling. What I have to take care is where is the first? Okay, here class is equal to special class. Okay, like I'm trying to take special class. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, class is equal to special cls. Okay, now here just observe. Okay, here for the third I'm trying to take class is a special cls. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir, special class, like I'm taking. So if you want, you can use this one, otherwise you can remove, no problem at all. Now how to define styling, sir? Here very important, very important, sir. Here class special div, we are not required to do that. Just here special class, here compulsory we have to take some symbol. I forgot. Anyone, can you please remind once? I forgot. Compulsory here we require to take something, sir. Which one, sir? Dot. If it is the class selector, dot symbol. If it is the id selector, hash symbol. Don't get confused. If it is the class, then we require to use a dot. If it is the id, then we have to use what? Okay, hash symbol. Okay, like now, sir, here let me forward. Let me send the request. Now we have you observed, right? The styling is applicable for first div and the last div, but not the middle div. Feeling comfortable? Now here two things you people should bear. What is the purpose of div? To group multiple tags as a single section for styling purpose. That is next, how to use basic selectors: element selector, id selector, class selector. Like three types of selectors are there. You should aware, right? Clear? Okay. Next, there is one more small. Some people may ask, sir, spam is also there. Span. Sorry, span tag is also there, sir. Anyone, can you please tell for which purpose we are going to use a span tag? Inline styling. Inline styling. Okay. Here Durga. Okay. Here Durga soft is there, sir. This Durga soft. I want to make yeah with here just observe that here with the yellow background, something like I want to do that. I want to do that span. Okay, like yes, anyone, can you please tell what I have to take, sir? Span tag, span tag. Let me take Durga soft here. Inline styling only for a particular part. If you want styling, then span tag. Span means inline styling. Okay, like now here what I have to take here is now observe that span tag, every occurrence span tag I'm trying to take. Okay, now background, yellow background I'm trying to take, sir. Yes, observe, yellow background I'm taking. Sir, is it element selector or not? Please confirm. Is it element selector or not? Yes, this one is the element selector. For every occurrence of span tag, background will become yellow. Like now, have a look once. Are you seeing anywhere yellow background? Yes. Are you seeing anywhere yellow background? Yes. Here just observe that. Okay. Text color should be blue. Let me take, sir. Color is blue color I'm taking. Color is the blue color I'm trying to take, sir. Now have a look once. Yes, this particular area. Is going to be, yes, the styling is applicable only for that. Pavan Kumar is asking a small doubt. Okay, Pawan is asking a small doubt. Okay, is a doubt is it possible to use a span in the place of div? No, no. Div means to group multiple tags together, one division. Span means just inline for spot inside a within a line, a part of the line. If you want to do the styling, then better to go for span. Yeah, sir. The basic selectors, div tag, span tag, it is a very clear. Div and span tags, div and span tags meant for CSS styling only. Styling only or CSS purpose only. Sir, I'm not going to use a CSS. I'm not going to do styling. Then these are two tags we are not required to use. Okay. Yeah, someone is asking about okay, this type of doubt. Someone is asking about this. If I want to highlight the para, then we can't take the span tag. If you want to highlight para, better to use para only. What is the need of going for span? Sardak, getting right? If you want to highlight para, better to apply styling for at para level only. Getting? Yeah. Particular line of the para, then better to go for span. Acceptable. Okay, in line styling inside a para, a particular word, a particular line, I want to apply styling. Yes, happily you can do that. Okay, so can I expect everyone has clear clarity about basic selectors, basic CSS selectors? Everyone having the idea? Okay, so most commonly used selectors are these three things only. In that also, most of the times out of 100, 99% of the times we are always going to use what? Element selectors. But ID selectors and class selectors a bit rare we are going to use. Okay, next there is the next level. Yes, some more things are there. Advanced selectors, advanced CSS selectors, advanced CSS selectors. Observe carefully about this one, sir. But a bit rare we are going to use, but having the idea is always recommended, right? Okay. So the main important advanced CSS selectors are the first one, star selector. What is that? Can you please confirm, sir? What is the first one? Star selector. Okay. Second one, descendant. Okay. Descendant selector. Descendant selector. Third one, adjacent selector. Adjacent selector. Okay, adjacent selector. Fourth one, attribute selector. Fourth one, attribute selector. Attribute selector. Okay. Fifth one, sir, nth of type selector. Nth of type selector. Yeah. Can you please observe that? These are the commonly used advanced CSS selectors. But when compared with the basic selectors, these things are a bit rarely used. Sir, what is the first one? Star. Second one, descendant selectors. Third one, adjacent selectors. Fourth one, attribute selectors. The fifth one, nth of type selectors. But you should have better, you should have clear clarity about this. Sir, can I go for explaining these things? Please confirm. Yes, friends. Okay, but here just to explain these are things, let me go for, sir, just let me take one example. Okay, meaningful HTML page. Let me take, sir. Here what I want to take is, okay, h1 tag I'm taking, advanced selectors demo, advanced selectors demo, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, now observe very carefully, right? Okay. Sir, here anchor tag I'm trying to take. Anchor, click here to go to, okay, Google. To go to Google, okay, like I'm trying to take. Sir, if I want to go to the Google, here what thing I have to take care? HTTP google.com. Is it okay, right? Can you please confirm? Is it acceptable or not? Yes. This one, if I can click this one, okay, is it going or not? Of course, here 1 minute, let me check. Is it okay? Or otherwise, even the page, full page also you can use, no problem at all. Okay, I told right. So here my net speed is not up to the mark. Too much here. Just Google also not opening. Yeah, don't worry, it will go. Otherwise, if it is not going, yeah, it is. Have you observed right? Google.com. Google.com. Happily it will go. Don't worry at all, sir. Okay, like. Sir, now here you can www is optional, not required, right? Okay, like. Sir, now what is the next? Here, see this a bit carefully, right? Sir, next I'm trying to take one UL tag. What is the purpose of UL? What is the purpose of UL, sir? UL is just unordered list. List items. Just let me take cat, rat, ant, something like I'm trying to take, sir. Okay. Here, cat, rat. Next and after that, okay, and something like I'm just using this one, sir. Here nothing will be there, sir. Here why I'm taking this part is okay, because to explain this concept clearly. Okay, like so just like a dog, something like a dog, any other animal. Okay, tiger. Like I'm taking. Okay, now here just observe that carefully, right? Yeah, this is okay. One h1 tag. Next and after that, here click here to go to Google. Yes, it will go to the Google. Don't worry at all. Yes, next cat, rat, ant, dog, tiger, something is there. Okay, like next next thing, what I require to take is, sir, just some h4 tag I'm trying to take. Some h4 tag I'm taking. So list of movies. Okay, like I'm trying to take list of movies, sir. Here just another list again. Okay, li, any movie names can you please tell? Okay, Bahubali. Okay, Bahubali, something like Bahubali. Next Vakil Saab. Okay, Vakil Saab. KGF, KGF 2. Okay, next any other? F2. F2, F3, something like. Here it's not important. Okay, like just because if I add these then I can explain. Okay, I can explain these things well. Just to explain these, just I'm trying to frame my HTML. Don't feel sorry is adding some random data. Okay, like next I'm trying to take. Okay, here this is list of movies. Next let me add the h4 I'm trying to take. List of top websites. List of top websites. List of top websites. Okay, like now again another list. Here li I'm taking. Now observe very carefully about this one, sir. Here Amazon, like I'm trying to take, sir. But here I want to make this one as anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag. Observe carefully about this one, sir. Anchor tag, I want to do that. What I have to take is here a tag. Now observe carefully about this one. Inside the list item I'm taking anchor tag. Okay, in the list item I'm trying to take anchor tag. Here it's not display. 1 minute. Anchor tag. Yes, here just observe carefully. Here Amazon. Okay, here Amazon website URL I'm trying to take. http amazon.com. Okay, like yeah, can you please observe carefully, sir? UL, within that UL li is available. In that li list item anchor tag is there. display item is Amazon. Whenever I click that, it should go to the Amazon. Okay, let me cross check is really is reflecting or not. Yes, list of top websites, Amazon. If I click this one, then automatically either is it going for Amazon.com or not. Okay, definitely it will go. Don't worry at all. Okay, just here net speed is not up to the mark. I told right. Okay, it will go. It will go. Perfect. It's going to work out. Okay, like now same way what I have to take is, let me take some more things. Okay, let me take some more. Okay, now sir, here just Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart I'm trying to take, sir. Flipkart, here just Flipkart I'm taking. Next, and after that Paytm. Okay, just here any Paytm.com. What is the website name? I don't know. Paytm.com. Okay, let me add Durga Soft also. Why? It is also top site. Okay. Durgasoftonline.com. Yeah, don't worry. We should not down ourselves. Yes, when compared with Amazon, Durgasoftonline.com is good in my perspective. Okay, yeah. Now here just observe a bit very carefully. That's all. This is the website. This is what we have. Okay, like now here just okay, have a look once. That's all. This is just I click these. That's why it is just it is showing it's already clicked some style. Don't worry, right? Okay, that's all. This is about my HTML page. Okay, let me save this page for your practice. Okay, just instead of retyping, just I'm saving. Okay, this page here in our notes. Sir, can you please tell what is the first selector? 1 minute. Have a look once in my page. Sir, what are various tags are available? Can you please observe what is this tag? This tag is what? I respond. This tag is what? H1 tag. And what is this one? This is anchor tag. And what about this one? Unordered list. Unordered list. Now here H2 tag. It is the H4 tag. And these things are, do you know? So unordered list again. And this is H4 tag. This is unordered list. In the every list item is anchor tag. Clear, right? Any doubt how you can frame this page? Okay, not required to keep any explanation. Okay, well, now my question is, observe carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, sir, the first thing, the star selector, the star selector, the first one itself is the star. Star means what is this one, sir? Star means what? Everything. Star means what? Everything. All. Okay, like this style is applicable. Okay, this style is applicable. This style is applicable for everything in the web page, for every tag in the web page, for every tag in the web page. Okay, like for every tag, this style is applicable. Okay, now what I want to take is, let me define styling star curly brace. Star means for all the tags, for all tags, right? Okay, color is sir white. Let me take color is white. Sir, background is green. Let me take background green. Okay, like sir, if I can apply like this, is it going to come? Is it going to come or not? Or otherwise, color blue color and a background is yellow, like I'm trying to take, sir. Now observe. Is it applicable for all the things or not? Yes, friends, please confirm. Is everything in the blue color? Everything in the blue color. Okay, sir, here background is the yellow. So star means everything, sir, which is nothing but body tag. Okay, star, which is nothing but body tag. Star means body only. Okay, body. Can you please apply for total body tag? Okay, same cinema is the star. So that's why star It is not commonly used, sir. Okay, star selector we are not going to use that much because it is the same as the body tag only. Clear, right? Any doubt about star? Star means everything. For all the tags, it is applicable, right? Yeah. Second one, I forgot. What is the second advanced CSS selector? I forgot. Anyone, can you please tell what is the second one? Yeah. Descendant selector. Descendant selector. Correct, right? Descendant selector. What is the meaning of descendant selector? Descendant. What is the meaning? Meaning of descendant selector, sir? Very simple. Yeah. Descendant means simple terminology. Sub level. Yeah. Anand, I don't think there is a difference between star and body. Everything is the same. Yeah, both the things are same. Anand. Okay. Now, what is the what is the descendant selector? What is the meaning of that? Is very simple. Descendant means sub level, something like sub inspector. We are going to use, right? Sub level means child tag. Sub level, child tag, parent and child. Something like a descendant in the hierarchy, parent tag and a child tag is there. Now my question is, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of this one, sir? Okay, very simple, sir. Here, see this. How many anchor tags are there in my page? Okay, here anchor tag is there, and here also anchor tags are there. Five. Okay. Now I'm trying to take. Now I'm trying to take. Now observe carefully. For every anchor tag, color is the blue and the background is the red. I'm taking. Yes, here see this one. Observe carefully. Yeah. Can you please confirm? Is it applicable for every anchor tag or not? Yeah. It's applicable for every anchor tag. For every, it is the element selector. Okay, element selector. But now my requirement is, boss, anchor tags which are available inside the UL. Have you observed, right? Anchor tags which are available inside another list or inside the list item. Inside list item, anchor tag is there. Only for that, I want to define styling. So now you are talking about parent and a child. Correct, right? You are talking about this is the parent tag and child tag. If the child tag present inside LI, then only apply styling. This is about my requirement, right? Okay. Now here observe that here don't take A. If I take A, for every occurrence it's going to applicable. Now I'm trying to take, sir, here what is the syntax? Observe that, sir. Sir, parent tag and then child tag. Now you have to define the property. I mean property value, like sir, here in the middle space we are going to take. So in this parent tag, if this child tag is available, for such type of child tags only styling I'm going to define. Okay. Now here observe carefully. Li space A. Now this styling is applicable for anchor tag, not for every instance of anchor tag. The anchor tags which are present inside Li. Getting the point? Are you seeing the difference? Okay. Now the styling is applicable for only anchor tag. But which anchor tags are? If this anchor tag is available inside Li, then only it is applicable. Now my question is it applicable for this anchor tag or not? Please confirm. Is it applicable for this anchor tag, this style? No. Because the reason for that is it is not inside Li. But for these things it's applicable. For these things it is applicable. No problem, right? Now observe carefully. Yes, saved. Just let me refresh. Yeah. Have you observed? Only for these things, but it's not applicable for this. That is the beauty of descendant selector. Okay, sometimes our requirement was, if any anchor tag is there, can you please apply styling only for that, only for the anchor tag present inside li. Okay, like or sometimes do you know, we may have span tag is there. If I can take span tag, the styling is applicable for every occurrence of span tag. Pass. The span tags which are there inside paragraph, inside p tag, for them only better to apply. If you define span tag inside, okay, some h1 or h2, don't apply something like how we can do this type of thing is nothing but descendant selector. Are you feeling comfortable? Yes, friends. Okay, now here color is red. So now style is applicable only for span tag, which are present inside, which are present inside paragraph tag, p tag. Yeah, getting right? Okay, similarly, okay, LIA. Now, sir, here just color is red. Don't worry, anything you can define. Sir, now style is applicable for anchor tags, for a tags, anchor tags, which are present inside li tag. Yeah, are you feeling comfortable about this? Yeah, please observe that up to this. Of course, Anand, we will discuss. Yeah, clear, right? Okay. Now my question is, listen a bit carefully. Sir, can I take like this? UL. Okay, UL. Can I take like this? Yeah. Have you observed? Now color is the blue and the background is so something like yellow. I'm trying to take. Yeah. Can you please confirm, is it possible or not? Yeah. Yes. Now observe carefully. Observe carefully, right? So here, what is the meaning of this one? This one is okay. So it is applicable for all anchor tags present inside li, present inside li. This li present inside ul. Okay, maybe if ordered list is there, for that ordered list anchor tags it is not applicable. Now observe this one. So it is for ul. Okay, that ul present inside body. Okay, now observe that inside body, if anywhere ul is there, in that ul li is there, in that li, okay, if you have anchor tag, then only it is applicable. Okay, need not be immediate parent. Okay, maybe grandfather. Okay, so like you can take, need not be immediate child also. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable, right? Okay, now observe that. If you want, let me use this one. Yeah, now is it reflecting or not? Background yellow and a blue color. Okay, it is not applicable here. Suppose if I can take, can I remove this one? Yeah, why not? Why not? You can. So sir, here need not be immediate parent. I told right, for all anchor tags present inside ul, for all anchor tags present inside ul, can you please apply? Okay, like now also same thing only. Any difference? Are you feeling comfortable, right? Anand, I hope your doubt got clarified. We are not required to keep complete hierarchy, but anyway, one parent and child you can take. Need not be immediate parent. Yeah, Anand, your doubt got clarified, right? Okay, that's all. So this is a descendant selector. Okay, like can we use multiple childs? Multiple childs means you require to take sir you require to take two tags in the same only one child. Hierarchy level is the same, Viraj. So you have to apply. Sir, this style is applicable for a tag. Sir, for which a tag? This a tag present inside li, that li present inside ul, that ul present inside body. So now the style is applicable. Now the style is applicable only for this one. Okay, like any number of parents you can take, no problem at all, Viraj. Okay. So this is what descendant. Descendant means you are talking about styling for the child which is present inside parent. You are talking about styling for the child which is present inside a particular parent. Okay, like yeah. Now hierarchy, any number of levels you can specify, no problem at all. Next, child need not be immediate child. Child need not be immediate child. Need not be immediate child. Remember this one. You can't. Chaitanya Krishna Reddy, you can't use. If you want to use star, that's all star. In the place of body, you can't use. Okay, here body is like a parent. Yeah. Now that's all. This is descendant selectors. Can I go for next one? Yeah, please. Can I go to the next one? Next one is adjacent selectors. Okay, adjacent selectors. Yeah. Here take very special case, sir. Adjacent selectors. Okay. Now my question is now see this one. Here parent and the child, how I did the separation with them? Yeah, please. Parent and child, how I did separation with the space. Okay, like yeah, remember. So in the descendant selectors we require to use a space. Okay, like next, what about adjacent selectors, right? Adjacent selectors are very simple, sir. Very simple. Now my question is, okay, sir, here this ul, okay, this sir ul, here just observe this. If any anchor tag adjacent to ul, or if any anchor tag adjacent to h1, then only apply styling. Have you observed? Then only apply styling. Okay. So if h1 plus a, okay, now color is blue. Sir, background is yellow, or otherwise background is yellow, like I'm trying to take, sir. Yeah. Now observe, first thing what you have to aware, plus symbol. First thing what we use adjacent plus a symbol. Okay. So can you please apply this styling for anchor tag which is adjacent to h1, that is the meaning of this one, sir. So can you please apply styling for anchor tag which is adjacent to h1? Can you please confirm which is adjacent to h1? This anchor tag is adjacent to h1. Okay, like only for such type of anchor tags can you please apply. Okay, like now let me consider here. Have you observed, right? Okay, now observe carefully, right? Yes, is it applicable for this one or not? Because why for these things are not applicable? Simple reason, because these things are not adjacent to h1 tag. Okay, these type of selectors are by default considered, yes, okay, adjacent selectors. Okay, select all anchor tags, which are adjacent to h1 and apply styling. This is now if I use this one, sir, can you please confirm div plus p. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? Anyone, can you please tell? Apply style for the paragraph tags which are adjacent to div tags. Which are adjacent to div tags. Apply style for p tags which are adjacent to div tag. Yeah. So you are always trying to apply for paragraph only. I mean for this one only. But this one should be adjacent to div tag. Clear? Okay. Suppose my requirement is, can you please apply styling for UL, which is adjacent to H4, Anyone, can you please tell? Styling for UL, which is adjacent to H4. Okay, like now H4 plus UL, okay. Sir, here red and then white I'm trying to take. Now observe that. So it is the adjacent to H4. It is the adjacent to H4. Okay, but why this one is coming is because anchor tag is always going to display in the blue color. That's why that natural property is not missing. Clear? Okay, but make sure there is one small problem is there, sir. So immediate adjacent only. Sir, in the middle, if any other tag is there, it is not treated as adjacent. Remember this, sir. In the middle, if any other tag is there, it is not treated as the adjacent. Adjacent means immediate adjacent only. So after H4, if you have UL tag, can you please apply that? Can you please apply for that? Which is adjacent to H4. In the middle, some paragraph is there, some div tag is there, then this UL is not treated as adjacent to H4. Clear, right? Okay. Now I'm trying to take. Okay. Yeah. Only plus symbol here we require to use. Only plus symbol we require to use. But here we have to use a space. Observe that plus a symbol we require to use. Yeah. H1 plus H4. Is it possible to use H1 plus H4? Yeah, why not? If I can take H1 plus H4, H1 plus H4 styling. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? Anyone, can you please tell? What is the meaning of that? The meaning is, so the H4 tag which is adjacent to H1, for that H4 only styling is applicable. So it is the styling is applicable for H4 tag which is adjacent to H1. Okay, the styling is applicable for unordered list UL tag which is adjacent to H4 tag. That is the meaning. Suppose I'm trying to take, now listen very, very carefully about this one, sir. Yeah. Can we use class names inside a particular tag? Yes, Pavan. If you are going to use a class name, then it will become a class selector. Then it will become a class selector, not adjacent selector. Okay. Remember this. Now, here I'm trying to take. Here just observe that. I'm trying to take. What is the meaning of this? Anyone, can you please tell? Sorry. Here I can't take like this. Yeah. Anyone, can you please tell what is the meaning of this one? Yeah. What is the meaning of this one? Anyone? Div space. Here select all anchor tags which are adjacent to UL, which are adjacent to UL and that UL present inside div tag. Yeah, correct, right? Are you feeling comfortable? select all anchor tags which are adjacent to UL, and that UL present inside div tag. Present inside div tag. Yes. This type of thing is by default, of course, adjacent selectors mixed. I'm trying to use descending and adjacent, both the things together. Yes, you can use, no problem. A is inside UL, then it is not treated as adjacent. It is descendant. Pavan. Adjacent is the different, descendant is the different. Yeah, clear? Everyone in the position to understand this one? Okay, that's all. This is how you can use adjacent selectors, right? Okay, so total up to this we covered three things. The first one, star selector. Star selector means everything, sir. The second one we covered descendant. Descendant selector. Descendant selector means do you know what is the meaning of descendant selector? Means okay, parent and child. Applicable style is applicable for the child. Next and after that, adjacent selectors. Adjacent selectors we covered. Clear? Okay. Yeah, that's it. Just better to practice up to this. Okay. Next, attribute selector, nth of type selector. I will explain in the next. It is a very easy. Nothing will be there, sir. Okay. So I will explain, and then another 2 or 3 sessions will be required for the CSS. And after completing that, happily we have to go for some 3 to 4 assignments. Okay, like so that you people will get much clearly. Don't worry. Yeah. In real time, most of the times we are going to use which is selectors, right? Basic selectors. In that, element selectors is the most commonly used. Element selectors is the most commonly used. Yeah.